Hi guys, you're welcome back to Niger News and Entertainment, the number one channel for entertainment news gist happening around. For first time viewers, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also hit on the bell button to get new notifications when a story drops. Happening right now in the ultimate love reality TV show, why Rosie and Presh Talker suddenly reconciled. Rosie and Presh Talker had a conversation about what happened between them and David Wilson. After the whole debacle, including David Wilson, Rosie, and Presh Talker, the ladies have decided to sit down and have a chat about what happened. Though Rosie told Aunty she's over David Wilson, she also needed closure as she had mentioned the whole situation left her with many unanswered questions. What hurts the most is, even when I asked him about you, he wasn't honest, said Rosie to Presh Talker. According to Rosie, David Wilson was angry at the fact that she entertained Kachi, and out of the blues he asked for her hand in marriage, which she politely declined. David lied to Rosie and Presh Talker. He lied to me too, Presh Talker said. Just like Rosie wasn't given the whole story by David Wilson, and feels sorry for the situation he put himself in because it's not a situation one quickly get out of. Even though she told Aunty earlier that she is still angry at him, part of her feels sorry for him, but that's just a cross he must bear on his mind. Both ladies seem to be at peace with the situation, and there's no bad blood between them. If anything, Rosie is glad she got out of the relationship. The blessing in it is that I dodged the bullet and I know it wasn't meant to be, Rosie concluded. Rosie, please help my guy Kachi from depression. Rosie, my guy, Kachi, my guy, sorry. Please don't go too far into depression. I can help you beg Rosie to reconsider you. You can imagine Kachi sleeping on the chair while other love guests are sleeping peacefully on the bed with their partners. Some people will actually say you deserve it, but you don't want to hear my mind on this. However, Rosie, you know to err is human, right? Rosie announces that Kachi is her ultimate prize and ultimate love. Wow. After almost getting deep into depression, Rosie finally had a long talk with Kachi. It was a beautiful sight to behold, chai. Rosie frankly told Kachi that she is not on the show for the camera and asked Kachi if he is. She stressed her point by telling him that he is the ultimate prize for her on the show. That's sweet. The conversation was sweet, such that she told him that she enjoyed the dance rehearsal they had earlier in the day, and Kachi's response was amusing. I guess it was because I carried you. In case you want to know the weight of this dough, here is it. Rosie weighed 85 kg and Kachi weighed 82 kg before coming on the show. Kachi was, however, about to spoil the moment with his weird question. What will you do if a scenario plays out that I impregnate another lady? Are you for real? How can you ask a lady that kind of question? Remember, you're just trying to find your way back to her heart. Don't know what's wrong with that Kachi. Sometimes it behaves like a village man. On the Ultimate Love reality TV show, Teresa reveals a married man ordeal with love guests. While the ladies were sharing experiences about their past relationship, Teresa came up with the story of her relationship with a man she dated for 2 years without knowing he was married. Really? 2 years without knowing? She said, I did not know he was married. He even invited me to his house for Christmas dinner, so I believe he wasn't married. I even took pictures in his house and posted it on Twitter. Now hear this, his wife saw the pictures on the Twitter and sent me a message. The man's wife said, I just want you to know that I'm aware you are going out with my husband and I will deal with you. Teresa said, when she later asked the man if he was married, he said, I thought you knew. What? How can I know? Forget the grammar. There's no better way to ask that question. Babe, I guess you ran into trouble there. Just thank your God that the woman is not violent. But ask Ike if he has baby mama before you have a part two. Abiu. Our Obichukwu complains about Ebitoyin's weight. Obichukwu complains about his babe Ebitoyin's weight, and it looked like their first argument as a couple on Ultimate Love. However, Ebitoyin's response was a bust. Anything they want to say, let them say. Do you know the offers I've refused with this body just because I want a person my heart loves? He also gave Obichukwu a stern warning saying, don't let me regret loving you. But Obichukwu, in his response, was so loving. Whatever you need to work on, we'll do it together, he said. Trust Ebitoyin. She will not just take it, so she said, but you don't have to say it to my face. Then lover boy Obichukwu said, I'll be careful next time, I'm learning. The crown of the conversation was when Ebitoyin said, even Chris is not fine, but she says she's fine. Me too, I'm not fat. Do you really need to say that? What has Chris done to all of you now? Please don't add insult on Chris' injury. Ataya. Yeah. Teresa turns down Auntie's offer to swap Ike. I wonder why she wants to swap in the first place. Teresa has turned down Auntie's offer to swap her partner Ike for another guy in the love pad. She did not waste time to re-echo to Aunt that she is in love with Ike. She was blushing when she told Auntie that he is intentional about his love for me and I'm happy to be with him. Teresa said, I used to think that guys with dread are not serious, but I'm surprised with his behavior. His intelligence attracted him to me. She also said her parents will love him. Wow. Okay, let's watch and see. Auntie warns Cherry against indecent dressing. This Cherry is a very big problem in this household. During Cherry's one-on-one section with Auntie, she got a warning about putting on skimpy shorts in the love pad. She said, you need to wear something longer or wear something under your shirt. I hope you've heard. This is not BBN. Apart from that, Cherry revealed to her that Arnold asked her to pick him before the final partners list were submitted. Cherry also told Auntie that she is not okay with Michael's choice of having a lot of females as friends. No lady will like that, my babe. Tell him what you want to. Don't mind that, Michael. Always giving peck up and down. Cherry reflects on 2019 failed marriage plan. While making breakfast, Cherry was gisting Bolanle and Sylvia about her plan to get married last year. I planned to get married last year, but thank God, my dear, everybody had a plan one time or the other on when to get married, but it worked for some and for some it didn't work. Please hold Michael tight. You might just get married in 2020. Abio. Let's watch and see. Jenny corrects non-romantic impression on Louis. Jenny, has corrected the love guest impression that Louis is not romantic. During a chat with Auntie, she said, Louis is romantic in his own way. I think they said he's not romantic because he does not go around helping ladies like other guys in the house do. My dear, what would you have said? Louis is your man and you need to always have his back, always, Abby. But guess what? Auntie asked her, have you guys kissed or how did you know he's romantic? I was like, you want them to kiss? I thought you were the one that said they should not have sex in the love part. Kiss can lead to something you don't want to see, You'll be surprised about another thing that Jenny told Auntie. I dreamt about this place before I came. I saw myself in the kitchen and I wanted to get something. Jenny Coco, please tell us more. Have you seen, have you seen you and Liz getting married? Wow. So guys, all this happened in the Ultimate Love reality TV show day 11. So guys, stay tuned for more update on Ultimate Love coming up tomorrow, which is the day 12. And also for new subscribers, please don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell button to get new notifications when a story drops. Thank you and God bless.